Hi guys, this time I will show you how to make our own ice popsicle, whatever. Yeah, I don't buy those because I rather to make my own for my kids and my family. Yeah, this is avocado, very healthy, and that's my daughter's favorite. She kept asking to me a couple weeks ago, but only this time I can make for her. All I need is 5 avocado, the whole avocado. We need a blender, and after you cut the avocado, remove the seed. And you scrape this using spoon. I'm more comfortable using spoon to scrape my avocado. And you remove the seed. This is 5 whole avocado, the regular size, okay? This one on the side has a little black. So what we're gonna do is we're not gonna put those, okay? See that? I'm gonna spray I'm gonna cut the black spot. Because the avocado is so sensitive, that's why it's easy to turn black. Or some bruise, you know. Now, after we remove all the avocado from the shell, if you see some black or some bruise on your avocado, just remove it, guys. Don't put. After we done our avocado, I use blender. Whatever you had, you can use. You can also smash your avocado first, and then before you put the liquid. I'm gonna put 2 condensed. 2 kind of condensed. This condensed is 397 grams. The 1 can. I don't mix water this, guys, because this is avocado. So I don't put water. I want the taste is a little bit pure in there, you know. I never try to put avocado in my ice pop or my popsicle with the water because I'm worried. I'm worried to turning all brown or black my avocado. That's why I don't use water. But I never try. You can try if you want. And also 2 can of big evap. The one evap is how many grams? 354. Okay, 354. And I'm gonna add only 3/4 cup of white sugar, okay? But it's depend on you if you want sweet, okay? But for me, just 3/4 cup. Okay, we're gonna try first if it's too sweet or not. So, hey, here, guys, it's off sudden. It's off by itself, my blender. So it means this is done. Let's see what's gonna look like. What's inside is this. Some people, they use cornstarch to make sticky their ice pop, but I don't. This is what they're gonna look like, guys. Look like ice cream. Mommy, but we have to freeze this first, and we're gonna put on the plastic, okay? Mommy. Just a little, guys. Don't put too much. I'm just gonna doing only half, okay? Mommy. Hold on. That's it. This is perfect. And the plastic get hard time. Can you get napkin, Kaylee? Towel paper. And then you push it down. Make sure there's no bubbles or the excess air inside of the plastic. So twist careful because this plastic give me hard time. I don't know what's wrong. It's cheap. Maybe it's too cheap, this plastic thing. This plastic's so hard. to use it, but this is my daughter's favorite. So, and it's good that this is her favorite, or the kids like this, because this is a healthy, because we know avocado, it's really good for your health. And then push it down. I'm not gonna twist that hard because that plastic, it's kind of, and then yep, now we did. I just did only half. See, that's it. This on. As for now, this is what we make. It's depend how big do you want, okay? And then we're gonna freezer this the all night, or until it get hard, or until turn to be ice, and then you ready to eat. Or else if you want just a little bit cold, I want not hard, but it's very cold, okay? Our finished product of our ice candy. Now it's hard. This is only I put on the freezer for like 6 hours. But you can just eat the next day if you want. If you really want really, really hard. Now we're gonna try. My daughter gonna taste. You're gonna cut.
Yep.
Tell them.
I'm
And
gonna cut the top where you tied it. Now you get to try it.
yeah, just like you look like eating popsicle or ice pop, whatever is that called. How is it?
It's good.
Yeah, that's her favorite avocado ice candy.
And it's cold.
Yeah, of course it's frozen.
Can I have one?
Yeah, okay, sure. Let's Jacob try it. Give him a bite. How is it?
It's good.
You like it? Yeah, this is really good for the kids. Better than you buy, something on the store. This one is very natural flavor, and it's healthy for the kids because it's from avocado, right? Yeah, she missed that for a long time. She always asks me,